In 1968, the United States Navy laid the first steel plate of something extraordinary. A warship so large. Its flight deck covers 4.5 acres. So powerful, it runs on nuclear energy for 25 years. So dominant, it carries an entire air force on its deck. This is the USS Nimitz, the most legendary aircraft carrier ever built.
The USS Nimitz has been in continuous service since 1975. That is over 50 years of uninterrupted operation.
And this is exactly how America built her, from a single steel plate, to the most powerful warship in human history.
Welcome to our channel, Full Scale Manufacturing. Today, we'll see the manufacturing of the legendary USS Nimitz aircraft carrier.
The USS Nimitz was the first of her class. We had never built anything like her before. The Gerald Ford class we build today
Every compartment is a survival pod. On a carrier, watertight integrity is everything.
The Nimitz hull is built in sections, massive prefabricated blocks, each weighing up to 800 tons. We build each block.
This is the A4W core.
It will provide enough power to run the ship for 20 years without ever needing to refuel.
We are approaching the seat. Maintain tension.
Roger, she's settling now. Solid contact.
The Nimitz runs on two A4W nuclear reactors. Each one produces enough steam to power a small city. Together, they drive 4 massive propeller shafts.
Shafts, 4 propellers. Each one can push over 70,000 horsepower.
The hangar deck of the Nimitz is larger than most commercial warehouses, 740 feet long. Inside that space, we can park and
Alignment is perfect. 0 vibration at 30+ knots.
These elevators can lift 2 fully armed fighter jets from this hangar to the flight deck in under 10 seconds.
the flight deck of the Nimitz covers 4.5 acres. We laid every inch of non-skid coating by hand. The steam catapults.
clear.
Radio check, we are online.
When you take command of the Nimitz affair, you are not just commanding a ship, you are commanding a city. 6,000 men and...
This shuttle will pull a 40-ton fighter jet from 0 to 106 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. This shuttle will pull a 40-ton fighter jet from 0 to 106 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. From here, the captain controls over 100,000 tons of sovereign American territory. The USS Nimitz is officially alive, a masterpiece of American manufacturing,